Well, I'm delighted today to be speaking to Simon Pickering from Finance Isle of Man here at the Claremont Hotel. Welcome, Simon.
Thank you, David, and thank you for putting on our little meet and greet coffee networking event this morning. It's been excellent.
So super to see you today. We did just gather a mixture of off-island and on-island guests for a conversation. You're passionate about getting people here on the island interacting with professionals. You know, is it important, do you think, in the wealth sector to be combining people and getting people travelling and moving?
Absolutely, David. I'm a very firm believer in getting people over to the Isle of Man, getting them introduced to the business community, also to government, because we are a very welcoming, open government. And once they've been here once, they generally come back.
Fantastic. And we ran a lovely dinner on Thursday evening at Stationers Hall. Did you enjoy the event?
It was absolutely fantastic. What a great venue. And, I have to say congratulations to you and your team for putting on a fantastic event. Nearly 180 people in the room, some great speakers, great networking. Fantastic.
What kind of contacts do you focus on in the London market? I know insurance is a big industry segment for you, but when you go to London, what kind of people do you try and meet?
It's a real mix. I mean, I am the head of insurance, and I did meet some international brokers last week during the day and at the event, who are obviously going to be good contacts for me. But it's very wide-ranging. Professional advisors, tax advisors, high net worth advisors, all of the above are very important contacts for us, and just imparting knowledge about the Isle of Man and how the Isle of Man could help them in their business is vitally important for us, David. And
one of the things you're also trying to do is attract banks and banking partners to come to the island. And in the payments piece, there's some interesting developments there. I mean, what kind of organisations do you try and attract to the island, particularly in the banking sector?
Yeah, to attract an established large bank here is a difficult ask in the current climate. And even though we're coming out of a very low interest rates environment, there's still very low margins in banking. Where we are seeing an uptick is in Class 8 money transmission payments licences. We are about to announce a really large name new licence in the press tomorrow, so watch this space.
Fantastic. And you're not just focused on the London market. In the UK, Manchester is also very important. We've got our Manchester dinner on the 11th of October at the Edwardian. Would you encourage Isle of Man firms to look at making sure they've got a seat at the table for that event?
Absolutely, David. The North West in general, Merseyside, Manchester has been a good hunting ground for us in the past. Because of the global pandemic, things stalled, activity stalled a little bit. But we have become members of Pro Manchester now, and we are really looking forward to a number of Isle of Man businesses coming to your events in October and re-engaging with the Manchester business community to see how we can collaborate.
Fantastic. And looking further afield, I mean, there was a big delegation went down to South Africa in April. I know Dubai and UAE is a big market. I mean, looking more globally, which are the markets that you're most excited about and trying to engage with?
The main markets for us are still the UK as a trading partner, South Africa, where we've got long established links going back to late 19th century. There are around 5,000 South African individuals now resident in the Isle of Man, so there's a lot of interest. And also the Middle East. We receive an awful lot of wealth management business from that area. But we're also getting better known in Switzerland, and some of that is down to your work and the dinners that we've attended in PCD Zurich and PCD Geneva.
Fantastic. Well, look, Sam, look forward to raising a glass and having dinner later on, and look forward to sharing this interview. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much, David. Cheers.
The latest technical content delivered through global conversations with professionals for professionals.